All right, guys. Good morning. My name is Dr. Chuks Anyanwu. I'm your Forex coach and instructor. So today is Tuesday. Like I told you guys, my trading starts from today. Even though I took some trades yesterday, it's not really a strict rule, but I just prefer to trade on Tuesdays. But if I see very profitable, high probability trade setups on Monday, I will take them. All right, so don't get me wrong. All right, so guys, today I just want to review some of the trade setup that we had. You know, I talked about the on Sunday. We looked at EJ. I told you guys that EJ was going to push up. Okay, so what we have here is exactly what is happening. So I took two positions. All right, I took the first position to take profits here, and the second position to take profits here. So I split my lot sizes. Okay, that's the way to manage a trade like this with high probability setup, guys. Okay, so we will leave the trade to run. When it gets here, the first take profit will be taken out. Then we trail our stop, okay, until we hit the, the final take profit too. All right, so guys, that's how we're going to manage this trade all through. Okay, the other trade setup I have for you here, it's our NJ. All right, so guys, my thought process here may change in the course of the week. All right, because nobody can predict the market. The market can decide to do anything it chooses to do. All right, so we need to be very, very, awake. We need to be very, very on top of our trading activities. All right, so and that's what I do on a regular basis. I follow through with my trades. I monitor the market. I look at what is happening and what I expect to get. All right, so now guys, if you look at this trade, you'll see that the market has broken a major key level for me. All right, the market broke through this resistance that has become support now. All right, or rather about to become support, because if this candlestick closes, sorry, let me zoom in on this chart. All right, if this candlestick closes above this my level, this candlestick now, if it closes above this key support level, then I know there's a clear break from this structure from resistance to support. All right, then I'll start looking for further price action, guys. I'll start looking for further price action. All right, so another thing I saw here is a double bottom chart pattern. Okay guys, let me show you what I mean. My double bottom chart pattern may likely play out, guys, so you need to be on the lookout. Okay, we need to be on the lookout, guys. Just follow me. I want to show you how I mark up my chart. All right, so this is one bottom, all right, and this is another bottom. All right, so this is how I mark up my chart. This is double bottom chart pattern that I'm seeing here. So we need to trade this chart pattern if we see further price action unfold. Okay, so what that means, this is my neckline. Okay, what that means is that this is my neck. Let me mark up this chart appropriately. This will now be my neckline. All right, this will be my neckline. I'm a price action trader, guys. I'm a technical price action trader, so just watch me do my thing. Okay, this is the neckline. All right, so what I need to see, I need to see a break of this neckline structure, a retest, and a push to the upside. Okay, so if that happens, if price takes out this level, I then can confirm that there's a change of character in this market. Okay, there's a change of character in this market. But if it didn't happen and this level is not taken out, I will now wait for price to show me further price action to push to the downside. Okay, now let me tell you another thing I do here, guys. If I put on my Ichimoku indicator, you guys just watch me, you will see that presently price is inside the Ichimoku cloud. price is inside the Ichimoku cloud. So in this case, I don't trade. Okay, anytime you see price inside the Ichimoku cloud, guys, stay away from the market until you see a breakout from the cloud. Then you can decide to look for opportunity, you know, to continue trading this instrument. Okay, so if there's a breakout of this cloud, I'll wait for further price action to the upside, then I take a buy trade. Now if price is able to break out of this Ichimoku cloud structure, then I know that I may be seeing a possible, you know, change in character, which I will follow through, you know, as the market progresses. Okay, so guys, that's all about NJ. Now on AU, I've seen some very interesting patterns, so let me just do analysis of this chart again so that you guys can follow me. Okay, let me reanalyze this chart. So if you look at this market, you'll see that what this market is doing is this. So let me show you what I mean. Just follow me. I want to reanalyze this market. Okay, let me analyze this chart. So I want to mark out my structure levels. Okay, I want to mark up this chart. I need to zoom out properly. Okay, let me zoom out properly. Just watch me mark up this chart, guys. All right, if you want to learn how to do this, join my academy. Okay, I'll teach you how to do it. It's very simple. Just watch me mark up this chart. Okay, so I'm marking up my support and resistance key levels. All right, okay, so this is what I have in the market now, guys. Okay, this is what we have. All right, okay, let me do this. Okay, let me do this. Okay, let me do this, guys. Okay, all right, so clearly this market is ranging on the daily time frame. All right, so this is a sideways market on a daily time frame. Some of us may not be patient enough to trade daily time frame, but I tell you guys, it's the best time frame to trade from and the most stable time frame. All right, however, let me drop down to the 4-hour time frame to see if I could spot better, you know, trading opportunities, guys. All right, so from the 4-hour time frame, I could still see some good price action. All right, I could still see some good price action, but let me take this back to daily time frame. I think I need to bring out another level, okay, from this chart. Okay, I need to bring out another level. If you ask me, I need to do this other minor level. Okay, I need to do this other minor levels. Okay, here, okay, here and here. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me increase the width of this line. Okay, all right, so this is a structure level. Okay, this is a structure level, guys, so I need to mark it up properly. All right, just follow me, guys. Follow me as I mark up these charts. Okay, so this is my support level. All right, this is my support level. Okay, then of course this is my support level as well. All right, okay, maybe I could just resistance level. Okay, resistance level. Okay, all right, guys. Okay, so I just want to mark up these charts. Okay, all right, so we have seen what we have here. All right, I want to further mark up this chart. what can we do here, guys? What can we do here? Okay, this is the daily time frame. I think I want to drop down to the 4-hour time frame here, guys. I want to drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Just give me a second. 4-hour time frame. Hold on, I need to reposition my chart properly. All right. Just follow me, guys. Follow me. Where is the other resistance level? Follow me, guys. I'll teach you how to do this, okay? Watch me analyze the market from beginning to the end, all right? So this is my resistance, okay? And this is my support level, okay? And this is my resistance level, guys, okay? All right. All right, so this is what we have here, all right? And of course, this is another support, but I don't have any business here, guys. I don't have any business here for some time because this market is, you know, is pushing up, all right? The market is pushing up, so I'm looking for a buy opportunity in this market. Buy opportunity, guys, okay? Let me do further markup. Okay, is this what I want? No. Let me do further markup. Follow me, guys, and watch how I do it. All right. This is a quality trend line, okay? This is a quality trend line. So, guys, I want to watch price react off of this trend line, okay? Another thing that would help me here is my moving average, okay? I'm going to put in my 20 exponential moving average, okay? 20 exponential moving average, okay? Okay, let me use the simple moving average, guys. Let me use the simple moving average, okay? Let's use the simple moving average, okay? All right. All right. Okay. Let me do 21. Guys, I know what I'm doing. Just watch me. Fine. I think 21 is better. All right. So, we want to see what will happen here. We need to watch price action, okay, along this structure level, key level, okay, and see if we can stock opportunity, trading opportunity, okay, in the coming days. All right. If we could stock, you know, we do further stocking, guys. You know what I mean? We look for opportunities to hit the buy or sell, okay? That's what I mean by stocking. All right. All right. So this is where we are in this market now. You can see the market is making impulsive move, retracement move, impulsive move, okay? All right, so we would expect to see a pullback, okay, before the next impulsive moves will begin. So if I see a breakout of structure here, okay, I will not necessarily enter a sell, as it were. I'll wait for further price action. Okay, so guys, let me show you another thing. Let's do our Fibonacci from this level to this level. Okay, right, so we want to see price come to any of the Fibonacci levels, and we're good as well. Okay, we're good as well. So I want to see price retrace. I don't expect the retracement to be deep, because if you can see the minor retracements happening here, they are not really deep, and yet this market is pushing up. Okay, so I expect price to dip in towards this 23.6 Fibonacci, okay, and continue to the upside. However, if it breaks it to the downside, I'll be worried, because it could be a major turnaround in the market. But for now, I've not seen any of such turnaround, so I have to wait for further price action, guys. Okay, so this is going to be an interesting trade, guys, so I want you to follow me. I'm going to continue to do an update on this trade, so just follow me. Let's see how this market will play out. Okay, so guys, I think we've had it today. You don't take too many trades. Okay, just choose a few trade setup that you find to be high probability setups. Okay, take a few trades, don't bother. The market is very large, guys. Let me show you. The market is very large. Okay, see, plenty of instrument to trade. Okay, just choose a few. All right, choose a few that have high probability to turn out in your direction. Okay, and you're good. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There are some other strategies I'm going to put on. I'm going to do video on to teach you guys how to trade properly, and how to get better insights about your trading. Okay, now there's something I remember I forgot to do here, guys. The fundamental perspective of this instrument, we need to look at it. Now, I already know what is happening in the United States, all right, because I think the current news now is the cut in the interest rate of up to 50 basis points. Okay, so we know that cut would will reduce the strength of the dollar slightly, all right, of course, and then we booster the economy of United States. All right, so guys, we already know the perspective and the outlook in the US. So, but in Australia, many of us don't know. But let me just show you guys what is happening here. Now, if you look at, let's look at this fundamental news. If you go to trading economics, you see that the Aussie turns lower after the Bullock remark. Okay, so Bullock is the governor of the Australian Reserve Bank of Australia. Okay, so she was a little bit dovish. Okay, when he said that they weren't going to tamper with rates anymore, that the rate at 4.35% was going to remain like this for a long time to come. Okay, so that was a bit dovish. Okay, that was a bit dovish. So if you look at this, you see that Australian shares fell after the Reserve Bank of Australia decision to keep the rate at 4.35. all right, then also if you look at other news coming out from Australia, you see that the economy, it's a bit struggling for now. Okay, but there are a lot of tampering that have been put in place to make sure that they stabilize the economic systems. Okay, so for me, that keeps the Aussie a little bit struggling to break through key levels like we saw here. Okay, struggling to break this key level. So if that continues, the sideways movement would be what we will see play out in this market. So what that means is that the market may likely push down here and not break this key level here. All right, so guys, this is my insight and this is what I expect to happen in this market. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything you want further clarification, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.